Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan in Bundaberg, Queensland here, and because of the heat I've had to leave the door open. You will see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas which I've covered with this pale grey and some other leftover paints from a previous pour, and it is drying out at a very fast rate. So I'm going to get onto this. What I wanted to do was my very first, what they call a sandwich pour. Now the white paint is supposed to be the white green, and I've got the two basically the same amounts, which is what you need. And to that I'm going to add some red, hopefully it won't sink, some green, so red for tomatoes, green for lettuce, some bit more white, gotta have mayonnaise, and some blue for my favourite, blue cheese, and then I've got to get this white on top. Okay, so let me try and sprinkle. See if it will not all go on. Only just, but yes. There is silicone in the red, blue and green. Come here. Gotcha. Oh. So, I've got it up my arms, I've got mosquitoes trying to eat me, north wind trying to cook me, and I don't really remember how they do this. I think they just lift it up. I don't know if that's actually the way it was meant to be, but that's the way I have it now. So, I will just give it a little tilt. Underneath Show More you will find the recipes to these paints and the pouring medium, and you'll also find a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come across and join us there. Come on, down you go. Nicely. I just give him a bit more of his bread to run on. The centre, and I'm not overly impressed. I think this one will go back to the drawing board. I think so. What a shame. Still, it won't be a waste because I'm going to swipe it. All those colours have to be pretty. Maybe I'll just wait a moment, put some more colour on, and I'm going to swipe it because that didn't work out. I'm going to have to go back, watch a few more videos. Maybe my paints are too thick. And some white, and I think I'll swipe it with black. I'll just get this white out of here. since I'm going to swipe with black. The other thing, the traffic noise in the background is a mixture of trucks carting sugarcane and trucks carrying paraphernalia for the bushfires that we're having at the moment here in Australia, and it's all very sad. So there's lots of movement. They're headed, the airport's only a few kilometres away, so that's where they're headed, sending things off to people that need them. Right, so what I might do is, where is it? Here we go. Now that I've done that, just put a spray, a spritz of, that's silicone. I'll show it to you. That 3-in-1 silicone spray. So I'm hoping that that might do something. I don't know what. Oh, the cloth. Oh. All right. I think I'm just about due up for a new swipe cloth here too. So just leave that there for a second. Get some of this off my hands. And I'm going to swipe from the centre. I rather like doing them from the centre because you quite often get like a cave effect, and I like that. Very edge. Make sure I've got plenty of paint on, and here we go. Oh, lovely colours. Let's do those on the side before we go any further. Right. And this way. Oh, I think this is nice. I do. Let it dribble if it wants to. And I'll let that rest while I just get rid of this. Off my hands. Put this too. That's coming up nicely. So, if I go this way, and turn him around this way. Ooh, how good is that? Wow. Excellent. I think I'm rather glad the first section didn't work out so well. Sandwich pour with a difference. That's okay by me. Wiping off my hands. And I'm going to put a bit more black in places. I'm going to just give it a few wiggles. Very good. Brings up the colours from underneath as well, so by doing this, and I think that's rather good, as you know, you put the colours on there and then you kind of lose them. But if you start to agitate the paints, they resurrect themselves. Streamers. I have Christmas streamers. Sorry I didn't put any gold in here now. And I think I need a star to go with my Christmas streamers. So that's what I'm going to have. I'm just going to tip a bit more that way. And get rid of some of this paint, because if I'm going to put more on, it's getting slower, so it's either A, drying, which I wouldn't be a bit surprised, or B, less paint. Okay, I think that's taken enough off. And, whoa, very good. Now I've only got one other minor detail. Let me wipe my hands. I'm going to have to make some white. I want the star white, I think. Just white and nothing but the white. Only take me a second. Stop it, all that streaking breaks. No, that's not good. Okay, that didn't take much. And here we go. I don't like those big fat ones I made by mistake, but it looks like they're going away. A bit more white. Bring it down here. Right, now, oh yes, definitely Christmas. A little bit of white, and I will have my star. Quite except for that bit there. Okay. Excuse me. Alright, so I'm going to torch that and then I'll bring you down to have a look. It's really quite pretty. Made a lot of little tiny cells, which are rather cute because they look like Christmas lights. So I have the whole shebang. I have the tinsel, I have the Christmas lights, and I have the star. So I'm going to bring you down to have a look. I think I told you the recipe for the paints in the pouring medium or under show more, as is the link to my Facebook group. Ooh, nice Christmas. And I think that's all I can tell you. If you haven't already, please click on subscribe and the little bell and you'll be notified when I put up videos. You can also share any videos, that would be nice if you could do that. And please give it the thumbs up. Each of those things that I've just mentioned help to place the videos on YouTube. And they don't cost you anything, so that's rather nice to have something for free. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this. I certainly like this one. Okay, bye for now.